Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. World War II was a singular conflict in the history of the world. Never have so many people around the world been locked in such a titanic struggle at the same time. As a result, hundreds of movies have been made, dramatizing almost all of the battles of the war. Here are best movies documenting the 5 biggest battles of World War II. The Battle of Berlin Downfall. As the Soviet army closed on Berlin and Nazi leaders realized that their rage was doomed. They ordered a desperate defense of the capital. Almost anyone who would volunteer or could be conscripted was thrown into the defense. About 1 lakh Germans died in the defense and nearly as many Soviets, with about 500,000 wounded between the sides. Downfall tells the story of the rage's last desperate days in Hitler's bunker. Although it is known mostly as a source of formerly popular memes, this is a darkly compelling film. The Battle of France, Dunkirk. Britain and France declared war on Germany immediately after the invasion of Poland. However, for a long time, Germany didn't move west. When it did, it used the same type of blitzkrieg tactics that it had field tested in Poland, quickly conquering the French and British forces. About 350,000 Allied troops were killed or wounded, with less than half that for the Germans. The Allied losses would have been significantly higher were it not for the dramatic evacuation of nearly 340,000 Allied soldiers from the port of Dunkirk. Dunkirk dramatically capped this evacuation using a combination of 3 different time scales to represent ground, sea, and air action during the operation. The Battle of Moscow, Panfilov's 28 Men. Less than 4 years before conquering Berlin, the Soviet Union was desperately fighting for its own life, as Nazi Germany was nearing Moscow. The Soviets mounted a desperate defense of their own and managed to blunt, even reverse the Nazi offensive. Casualties for both sides may have been as high as 1.5 million, but some estimates put it much lower. Panfilov's 28 Men is an action-packed representation of a Soviet World War II propaganda story about the defense of Moscow. Supposedly, 28 members of a local guard unit took on a large German unit, sacrificing themselves to delay the advance, which allowed the muster of more men and marshal to defeat the Nazis. Pearl Harbor, Tora Tora Tora. Although few of the battles of the Pacific match the ferocity and carnage of the Eastern Front, they are also of a grand scale. Considering the technology and equipment deployed and the distances involved, with less than 5,000 killed and wounded, this battle seems small, but the consequences were tremendous. The Japanese won the battle, but their attack brought the US into the war, which would ultimately lead to defeat. Tora 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 is a joint US-Japanese production that brings together the best knowledge available at the time to dramatically recreate the attack on Pearl Harbor.
Today they have collaborated to make a motion.
Midway. About 6 months after the attack on Pearl Harbor destroyed the US battleship strength, the Japanese sought to wipe out their opponent's carrier fleet. They hoped to lure US carriers into a trap and destroyed them. However, circumstances allowed the US to turn the trap, destroying 4 of their carriers and effectively ending Japanese supremacy in the Pacific. The Japanese lost about 2,500 sailors and aircrew, but more important was their loss of 4 carriers in the battle. Midway tries to capture the excitement of this pitched battle through the use of models and live action. The result is an exciting dramatic plot bolstered by impressive special effects of its day.
Sights, sounds, and actual sensations of battle.